Now, I hate people. I fucking hate people, okay? Now, when I say that, what I'm actually saying is I'm afraid of people. Now, that's hard for me to say, it's hard for me to admit, but I'm afraid. That is a part of the PTSD, which can be hard to manage at times. It's part of the anxiety. It's being fearful of every single thing, mostly not knowing what's going to happen, and you think that what is going to happen is going to be bad, and you're always on edge because of that.